Hi everybody, it's Trina back with the hair cutting scissors. So, off to a great start. I want a U shape in the back. It's proven that your hair will be healthier if you have long hair and it's not straight across. I don't think this is cheating. So this is, okay, I found the one where they put the hair like this and then cross. But where do I cross it? Do I cross it here? And then like I have it in two even sections, parted in the back. I hope that part is even. Let's see, if I put it, it's really all geometry when I was thinking about it. If I put it behind my ear, oh shit, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna follow the tutorial. I'm such a fucking idiot. This looks the same. I don't see how cutting this is gonna make a U shape. It's not making sense to me. But how am I gonna get this to stay here? Oh, Virgil said fortune favors the bold, so I still don't understand how this is gonna give me a U-shaped cut. It's not even twisted anymore. Holy shit. Maybe I should twist it again? Yeah, I'm gonna twist it again. And then see what happens down here. I'm doing this the wrong way. I'm supposed to go from the bottom. Too late. Okay. Now. Is it a U shape? Oh, it feels great. Okay. Mistakes. I don't see a difference at all. It looks like the... What the fuck? It's a lesson. Do I regret it? 100%, without a doubt. And do I regret buying expensive hair cutting scissors? Yeah. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, or morning, or night.